house of innovation.
The human nature of the next generation of robots is in our hands. It's in how we're going to handle artificial intelligence and innovation. When we founded qbrobotics in 2011, our objective was to disrupt and evolve the world of soft robotics, developing unprecedented technology solutions for the industry, for research, for service robotics, and biomedical applications. We took inspiration from the most sophisticated and advanced mechanical system, human anatomy. Our products replicate, learn, and evolve the grip, the touch, and the movements that our hands normally do. We developed a patented variable stiffness system that allowed us to create a unique gripper with intrinsic ability to adapt the applied strength to whatever object it is gripping, without sensors or dedicated algorithms. It's all about finding the ideal balance between flexibility and precision, safety and strength, technology and usability. qbrobotics is working today on testing quality for the fashion and luxury sectors, helping agri-food evolve through automatization, transforming traditional manufacturing, recycling electronic components, assisting researchers in the most prestigious universities and R&D centers. You can count on qbrobotics in Italy and abroad, supporting thousands of users thanks to an extensive network of distributors and system integrators. All this comes from our headquarters in Pisa, Italy, where each process is implemented internally, from research, development and testing to hardware and software design. It's our job to reach out and grab the best tools, so we'll make a difference together with robots.